Hi loves, I hope you're doing well. My name is Kasta and welcome to my channel. If you want to see how I created this stunning look, keep watching. I start off by parting my hair into 3 sections so I can work on it easily. Then I'm gonna need the braiding hair for today, which is gonna be the Nubian twists by Angels, and then some molding wax which I use on the roots of my hair when I start braiding to make it easy, and some hair oil. You can use whichever. For me, I use the TCB Naturals hair food to part the hair strands, because if you part them without oiling them, then you're gonna end up destroying the whole hair. I just do the normal braiding, as you can see. Then I twist down the hair. When doing the twisting, kindly make sure you are not doing it tightly. Just follow on the weaves of the hair so that the hair is gonna look exactly as it is supposed to be. Since my hair is long, I have to braid it along, or rather twist it along on the hair, and at times you will make a mistake and realize that the hair is popping out of the braid, which is very okay for me because I can't see everything. So that's a closer view of how I do my partings and how I start it off. To maintain small hair when you're doing this, otherwise they'll all be outside, they'll all pop outside the braiding hair. I'm pulling my hair a little bit because I want it tighter, and I'm not able to hold it tight enough as I would love to. But if you can hold it tightly, then it's not necessary. After all the braiding that took me almost 7 hours to 9, I go ahead and cut the ends of the hair so as to make them look a little bit more decent and cute. I don't know if you can see some hairs that are popping around my head. As I told you, sometimes when braiding you will not be able to hold the hair rightly. That's how it's supposed to look in the end. I hope you did enjoy watching this, and if you managed to try this hairstyle, please don't forget to tag me on Instagram at _caster254. These are the cute looks of how I will style it. I hope you loved the video, and if you did, please like, subscribe and share. Also, share your sweet comments and have a beautiful day. Bye.